Hi, in this video we are going to look at Telugu meanings of sentences using the words do you have. Do you have a driving license means మీ దగ్గర driving license ఉందా. Basically do you have means మీ దగ్గర ఉందా. Do you have a pen means మీ దగ్గర pen ఉందా. Do you have a spare pen means మీ దగ్గర మరొక పెన్ ఉందా. Spare means మరొక. Do you have an appointment means మీరు appointment తీసుకున్నారా. Actually here we say it differently. మీరు appointment తీసుకున్నారా means have you taken appointment. Instead of the meaning of do you have an appointment, we take the meaning of have you taken appointment. That means మీరు appointment తీసుకున్నారా. Do you have cough means మీకు దగ్గు ఉందా. Cough means దగ్గు. Do you have money means మీ దగ్గర డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయా. We use ఉందా for singular, ఉన్నాయా for plural. So money means డబ్బులు, డబ్బులు is plural, so we used ఉన్నాయా. If you say this word డబ్బులు in singular form in Telugu, that becomes డబ్బు. So if you use డబ్బు you have to say ఉందా. So in other words you can say మీ దగ్గర డబ్బు ఉందా. Do you have self confidence means మీకు ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం ఉందా. Here self confidence means ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం. Do you have the receipt means మీ దగ్గర రసీదు ఉందా. Do you have work means మీకు పని ఉందా. In this context we don't say మీ దగ్గర, we just say మీకు. దగ్గర means near, so that's why we don't use the word దగ్గర in this context. Work means పని, so మీకు పని ఉందా. That means do you have work.